India is home to many stunning sari drapes, and one of the most unique and culturally rich styles is the Nauvari sari from Maharashtra. With its distinctive 9-yard length and dhoti-style draping, this sari is not just a garment. It is a symbol of grace, strength, and tradition. But what makes the Nauvari sari so special? How did it originate? And why is it still a beloved attire in Maharashtra? Welcome back to Fab Flair, the history and origins of the Nauvari sari. The Nauvari sari gets its name from the word Nau, meaning 9, and Vari, meaning yards, as it is traditionally a 9-yard long. Its origins date back to the Maratha era, when women, especially warriors, needed a practical yet elegant attire. Unlike the conventional 6-yard sari, the Nauvari was draped in a dhoti style, allowing women to move freely while riding horses, wielding swords, and participating in battles. This sari was most famously worn by Rani Lakshmibai, Jijabai, Shivaji Maharaj's mother, and the brave women of the Maratha Empire, who were known for their valor and strength. Even today, the Nauvari sari is deeply connected to Maharashtrian culture and is worn during festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, Gudi Padwa, and traditional weddings. How is the Nauvari sari made? The weaving of a Nauvari sari requires exceptional craftsmanship. The saris are predominantly made in regions like Paithan, Yola, and Solapur. Here's how it is crafted. Fabric selection. Nauvari saris are made using silk, cotton, or a blend of both. The most luxurious variants use Paithani silk or pure cotton for comfort. Handloom weaving. The saris are handwoven on traditional looms, ensuring rich texture and durability. Intricate borders and motifs. Nauvari saris often feature zari work, temple borders, and peacock, paisley, or floral motifs. The gold and silver threads add a royal touch. Finishing and quality check. Once woven, the sari undergoes starching and polishing to maintain its crispness. Each Nauvari sari takes several days to weeks to weave, making it a true work of art. What makes the Nauvari sari special? The Nauvari sari is more than just an outfit. It is a symbol of power, tradition, and cultural pride. Dhoti-style draping. Unlike regular saris, the Nauvari is draped like a dhoti, allowing ease of movement. Perfect for traditional dances. It is commonly worn for Lavani and Tamasha performances, showcasing the energetic spirit of Maharashtra. Did you enjoy learning about the Nauvari sari? If yes, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Fab Flair for more content on India's incredible textiles.